Can human intervention change this? By human intervention, I mean in typical African elections, a lot of things happen. Even friend Reagan and all of that. Can that human intervention change?
Last week, I back at Man City was ball match. Not scoreline, no, yeah.
Last week, Man City.
When you,
I want to Man U, dinner.
No, Man City. When you team, not Man U.
I'm a 3-0 now.
What's 3-0?
Champions League.
Serious match in CCR in score line.
3-0.
In score line. Inti that match will to Mariga.
No, won't tomorrow.
Inti Americano, wabo election near you in America.
Rigging behind to me. Where's here? Hey, Prophet El Bernard.
Yes.
I can simple.
Make catcher.
Check it.
We are sure.
Absolutely sure. I had a friend WhatsApp me this afternoon.
Yes.
From the central region.
Okay.
Was it on to me that no show? Me say me am wa prabe mada. Me did na wo di show. On kala kuma tuni na nothing will happen.
Really?
Yes.
Do you believe sir spirituality ever influence on electoral outcomes ever Ghana? Spirituality, prophecies, it will influence in electoral outcomes.
Sincerely, I don't think it will change the outcome. Even if they prophesize this way or that way. Because say the voice of the people
is the voice of God.
And if most of the people are speaking this way, why would God go the other way?
No, but I'm brutal.
Oh, Yamina,
why? No, brutal.
Yamina, why?
Brutal, Charlie. Prophet Bernard L. Bernard. Obi, I know who had no record of his prophecy ever missing, but 2024 showed that there is no finality to prophecies. Hasn't he drawn any lessons from such happening? This is 2024 elections are Prophet Kusi Boateng saying him. He had gotten almost all his prophecies on point. 2024 it didn't happen. I mean, he also repeated it like you are doing. Bawambim.
That's my answer to them. And if we sincerely believed that we spoke to these people,
yes,
and this number of people are saying this, then that must be the voice of God.
In the end, me putti a note be out, say NPP delegates across the country where Global Info Analytics are contacted for the purpose of a survey. For names.
Absolutely.
We are sure.
Absolutely.
MPP delegates.
Delegate, yes.
Our Global Info are contacted.
Because we have the album.
Okay.
We have the MPP album. And we placed these calls to these delegates. These are polling station executives.
Album na munya ena numbers ka ho.
Yes.
Omo phone numbers
yes.
ka ho.
Yes. Every delegate in phone number ka ho. From all the constituencies. Omo ye polling station level no. We didn't consider the constituency level.
Constituency executives.
The masses no.
Yeah.
Polling
station.
Absolutely. Omo no. You see, they are more eager to talk. They will talk openly than the regional and the constituency executives.
Because honestly, a senior prophet. I mean, he's had a lot of his prophecies.
Prophet Victor Kusi Boateng. We are talking about one of the fathers of the prophetic.
Absolutely.
I mean, there are Ngofu.
Absolutely.
Now, he's one of the people Nyameswa Fanumu na Ozabua.
Yes.
The prophetic.
Yes.
Inti Mokeno Monwi na Waka. Inti.
That's what I'm saying.
Let me tell you, okay, Monwi. Inti I can't comment on Monwi. I'm America. Mameun. Inti America Mameun. Abezinji pede ezu obi nizibet edba to tumezi.
So our haja to do a father
Yeah.
One of the fathers. It is also a Kamawe who from Nyame Hodema de Dio Wambema. It's possible that
I don't debate on what they have seen, whether they saw it or not.
Okay.
But I can debate on what they say.
Okay.
As some of I can debate about but more can see amazing Nyame Onyema Kasa na Nyame Onyema Kasa several times in the year Nyame wa confirm a me there NPP for one savior your Kennedy deliverer is Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan.
Inti enono say and you do the questioning on phone, via phone.
Yes.
And you're face to face.
Phone. So it's very convenient. And we can call on the average, the Enibria, about 500 delegates a day. If you want, yes.
Okay, let's take it this way. The very last one now, what the results, a buy, more conducted survey between which time?
29th December and 23rd January.
29th December to 23rd January. That should be almost 1 month. In the end, it's about 3 weeks.
Yes.
And I'm years, Jumano.
Correct.
Delegates saying I'm only on Kasai.
In every week, 2,500 delegates.
Every week.
Every week.
2,500 delegates.
Every week.
And a spread net saying across the country, like every constituency.
It is first because the focus of the survey is national.
Yes.
So you don't pay so much attention to the constituencies.
Okay.
So the samples, it's the regions, Then the system is built, say, okay, we have allocated 2,100 to Greater Accra. So randomly, go to Greater Accra and pick any delegate from anywhere.
Okay.
So we have no control over who we even call.
Who you call.
And I randomly, it will pick from constituency now or in that order. So we'll say, ABR, the latest one, let's say, Ablukumanova, most of the interviews, say maybe 150.
Yes.
Now another one, next one be 110. So it will do that proportionately across the constituency in Greater Accra.
Oh. And that's just say for this particular one now, within 3 weeks, more delegates from across the country, like every constituency. And yes,
we at the end of the count, you check here, a month for
okay.
Out of the 276, only 4 were missing.
Only 4 constituencies were missing.
So if you have to connect now. I mean, I've told you, there are people who come to me, I tell them, I can't force you.
But you are now really a proper campaign manager. You are more like an elevator pitch now, just to sell into
America. I don't have time to sell because won't you make out. But so people letter there, won't you make out. So as it when I'm maybe 1 day, I can't wait to me, you mean to Fandama. Maybe you be a Fandama.
I are aware there. Say one beam Saturday was wabe so.
Nyamia Doma Saturday. Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan is a flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party.
And he will go on to win 2028 elections.
Macho book Navy.
Onosoye done.
Maybe.
That down.
Maybe.